wants any nests in there. Yeah, those trees of yours, they don't have a chance. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I'll just get in here with a chainsaw and just pack everything away and throw it in the burn pit.
Cut it into chunks, you know?
Yeah. That's exactly why I wanted to do this first during the cold weather.
Oh yeah. 100%.
Man, look at that. Cleared it all out, you know? I'm getting land back. Yay. Boy, Kirk really knows what he's doing, doesn't he?
Shit, man, you didn't damage that pine tree at all.
Yeah, he's doing good. He's a lot smarter than he looks.
I don't hear you say that.
I've said that to him. I don't know if he disagreed or not.
He would shake his head like, he's heard all the insults before. Pretty bouncy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's true. It's a bouncer. He's heard a lot. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, if you agree to cut psychology with permission to take him out.
See, now he's taking another sales call while he's driving. Yeah. I'll just get out here with the shovel and an axe and take care of the last little bits.
Look, that little bit there, you'd be working your ass off just to do that.
Yeah,
Just to do that
little
will
bit.
fucking take your time, you know, bust your ass.
Yeah, it will. It'll take a
Shit.
while.
Fuck yeah, it will. Then you gotta go haul it out. And by the way, palmettos don't burn for crap.
Oh, really?
No, they just smolder fucking days.
Oh, okay.
Particularly when they're green like that.
Yeah. Okay. Well, gives. Boy, that's probably the root for the big tree there that he's hit.
What's in the palmetto?
Oh no, you're right. That was a palmetto.
Just pop that fucking out. Oh no, this is gonna be shit. My shit's easy by comparison. Jesus Christ. But you got a yard back, you know?
Yeah, I got a whole big yard back.
Fuck yeah, you know?
Got a great big yard back.